Dude, yesterday, fucking, when the earthquake was going, fucking Connor was out with his friends having karaoke and stuff. And he's like partying while this earthquake is going on. And he's drunk as fuck. And he's fucking singing karaoke. Like, it's all good. It was so funny. I'm like, are you okay? He goes, yeah, I'm cool. I'm fine. He's like, I'm fine, I'm fine. It was hilarious. He should not have sing then. He was singing alright. He was singing alright. He sang. She was like, what? Did you record him? No, he sent me a video of him singing. It was so funny. It was so funny. Show us? No. It's mine. Yeah, it's my blackmail material. He'll never know what hit him.